Have you ever heard of a spice so powerful, so ancient, that just chewing a few pieces a day could help you feel younger, healthier, and more energized? Well, get ready to be surprised. Cloves, yes, those tiny brown buds in your spice rack, may hold the key to solving 5 common health problems seniors face every day. From joint pain to digestion and even immune strength, the humble clove is more than just flavor, it's natural medicine. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how chewing cloves every day has helped me and many others get real results. So stay with me as we explore 5 powerful health benefits backed by science, and how this simple habit could change your life. Cloves help reduce joint pain and inflammation. Joint pain is one of the most common complaints among seniors. Whether it's in your knees, hips, or fingers, that dull or sharp ache can make simple tasks feel difficult. One of the best natural ways to fight joint pain is to reduce inflammation in the body. That's where cloves come in. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol. This natural chemical has been shown in several studies to have anti-inflammatory properties, similar to the effects of over-the-counter pain relievers, but without the side effects. Eugenol works by blocking certain pathways in the body that cause inflammation, especially in tissues like cartilage and tendons. When you chew cloves, you release eugenol slowly into your system. Over time, this can help reduce swelling, stiffness, and even improve joint mobility. Many seniors have reported noticeable improvements in their knees and hands after just a week or 2 of chewing a couple of cloves each day. This isn't just based on word of mouth. A 2021 study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that clove extract reduced inflammation markers in people with arthritis. Participants experienced less pain and better range of motion. The benefit here is not only pain relief, but also the possibility of reducing reliance on medications that may cause stomach issues or dizziness. Cloves also contain antioxidants, which play a major role in protecting joint tissues from damage. As we age, our joints experience more wear and tear. Antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds found in cloves help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and speed up aging. By chewing cloves, you're giving your body a small but regular dose of these helpful compounds, keeping inflammation in check and joints more comfortable. And it's not just arthritis that benefits. People with general muscle stiffness or soreness after physical activity have found cloves helpful. Some even chew them before exercise to improve circulation and reduce the chance of post-workout pain. If you walk daily or do gentle stretching exercises, adding cloves can be a great companion to your routine. To try this for yourself, start with 1 or 2 whole cloves each morning. Chew them slowly for about 5 to 10 minutes, then spit out the fibrous parts if you prefer. Some people prefer soaking them in warm water for a minute to soften them. The important part is consistency. Your body needs time to absorb the anti-inflammatory effects and build up resilience. Within days, many people notice their joints feel a bit looser and less achy. Over weeks, the improvement often becomes more noticeable. Of course, everyone's body is different. If you have a condition like rheumatoid arthritis or are on strong medications, speak to your doctor before trying any new supplement, even a natural one like cloves. But in general, for healthy seniors looking for a natural way to ease the pain, chewing cloves is a low-cost, low-risk habit that can bring big relief. Joint pain doesn't have to be a daily struggle, and cloves might just be the gentle remedy you've been searching for. Cloves improve digestion and relieve bloating. As we age, our digestive system tends to slow down. Many seniors experience common issues like gas, bloating, indigestion, or constipation, and often rely on over-the-counter pills that bring short-term relief but don't fix the root of the problem. That's where cloves can make a big difference. Chewing cloves helps support the digestive process from the very first step, your mouth. The strong aroma and taste of cloves stimulate the production of saliva, which is essential for starting digestion properly. Saliva contains enzymes that begin breaking down food before it even reaches your stomach, and for many older adults, saliva production naturally decreases. Cloves help kickstart it again. Once swallowed, the benefits continue in the stomach. Cloves are known for their carminative properties, which means they help prevent gas formation and ease bloating. The compounds in cloves promote the secretion of digestive enzymes that break down fats and proteins more efficiently, which is especially helpful after heavy meals. Many seniors find that even just one clove after lunch or dinner reduces that uncomfortable fullness and pressure in the belly. If you often feel like food is just sitting in your stomach, cloves may help move things along. Studies have shown that cloves help relax the smooth muscles in the gut, reducing cramping and making it easier for food to pass through your system. This natural muscle relaxing effect can be especially helpful for seniors who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome or chronic constipation. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2020 showed that clove extract helped regulate bowel movements and improve overall digestion in participants who experienced regular gastrointestinal discomfort. The results were so positive that many researchers now consider cloves a safe herbal remedy for mild digestive disorders. Another overlooked benefit of cloves is their antibacterial power inside the gut. Sometimes, bloating and indigestion are caused by an overgrowth of harmful bacteria or by consuming contaminated food. Cloves have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help kill bad bacteria without disturbing the good ones. This helps restore balance in the gut, reducing the risk of infections and maintaining a healthier digestive tract. For seniors with weakened immune systems, this kind of support is especially important. Chewing cloves after meals can also help with acid reflux. Many seniors suffer from heartburn due to weakened esophageal muscles or delayed stomach emptying. The soothing compounds in cloves help calm the stomach lining and reduce acidity levels, which can prevent that painful burning sensation in the chest. Some even report that the spicy warmth of the clove seems to immediately settle their stomach after eating. It's a natural solution that works gradually but effectively over time. Even the simple act of chewing encourages the body to prepare for digestion. The motion stimulates nerves that send signals to the stomach and intestines, letting them know food is on the way. This can be especially helpful for seniors who eat smaller meals or have reduced appetite. Chewing a clove before a meal might help wake up the digestive system and get everything working in harmony. The warm oils released from the clove not only freshen your breath but also trigger enzymes and stomach acids that make digestion smoother. To get these digestive benefits, chew one clove slowly after your main meal of the day. Let it mix with your saliva and take your time. You can also chew a clove before breakfast to help prepare your gut for the day ahead. Some people choose to crush a clove and mix it with a spoonful of honey if the flavor is too strong. Either way, the key is regular use. You may not feel a difference overnight, but give it a few days, and you may notice meals feel lighter and your stomach feels calmer. For anyone who suffers from gas, sluggish digestion, or stomach discomfort, cloves offer a gentle and natural way to bring relief. It's a small change that can make eating more enjoyable again. Instead of reaching for pills or antacids, try letting nature do the work for you. A single clove a day might be all it takes to start feeling the difference in your digestion. Cloves strengthen the immune system and help prevent infections. As we grow older, our immune system doesn't work as quickly or as strongly as it used to. This can make seniors more likely to catch colds, suffer from infections, or take longer to recover when they do get sick. That's why strengthening the immune system is so important. Cloves are one of the best natural ways to support your body's defenses. These tiny buds are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and keep your immune system working well. One clove contains a powerful compound called eugenol, which not only fights inflammation, as we mentioned earlier, but also helps the body fight off harmful viruses and bacteria. Studies have shown that cloves contain some of the highest antioxidant levels among common herbs and spices. These antioxidants fight off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage healthy cells and make you more prone to disease. By chewing cloves, you're giving your body a natural tool to repair itself and fight off invaders. This can be especially helpful for seniors during the cold and flu season, when the immune system is already under more stress. Keeping up a strong defense means fewer sick days, fewer trips to the doctor, and a better overall sense of well-being. Cloves also have antibacterial and antiviral properties. In lab tests, clove extracts have been shown to kill harmful bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which can cause serious infections. They can even fight off common fungal infections, such as Candida, which some seniors may deal with in the mouth or digestive system. When you chew cloves regularly, The natural oils released can help cleanse the mouth and throat of harmful microbes before they have a chance to grow. This is why cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat infections and boost the body's natural resistance. There's also a connection between cloves and respiratory health. The strong aroma and warming effect of clove oil can help open up airways and clear mucus from the chest. For seniors who deal with chronic coughs, sinus pressure, or mild asthma, chewing cloves, or even just inhaling their scent may help reduce discomfort and improve breathing. While it's not a cure for respiratory conditions, it's a small tool that can support your lungs and help you feel clearer and more refreshed. Cloves contain vitamins and minerals that support the immune system, too. These include vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and iron. Manganese, in particular, is important for enzyme function and bone health, which is another benefit for older adults. Iron helps carry oxygen in the blood, and vitamin C is known to boost white blood cell activity, which is essential for fighting illness. So while one clove may seem small, it contains a rich mix of nutrients that all work together to protect your health. Some people also chew cloves to ease the early signs of illness. If you feel a sore throat coming on, chewing a clove may help reduce the pain and slow down the infection. The natural oils have a numbing effect that can soothe a scratchy throat and prevent it from getting worse. Many seniors keep cloves nearby during the winter months just for this reason. It's an easy, natural remedy that can be used anytime, anywhere. And don't forget the long-term benefits. When you chew cloves regularly, you're not just treating symptoms, you're building up a stronger defense system. Over time, your body becomes more efficient at detecting and eliminating harmful threats. This means fewer colds, quicker recovery times, and a more resilient body overall. It's a long-term investment in your health that starts with a small, daily habit. If you're interested in trying this, begin with one clove each morning or after meals. Let it sit in your mouth, chew gently, and allow the oils to coat your throat and mouth. It may be a bit spicy at first, but most people adjust to the taste quickly. Some even grow to enjoy it, knowing that it's doing something good for their health. If you're someone who struggles with frequent colds or just wants to stay healthier longer, chewing cloves is one of the easiest habits you can start right now. Cloves help control blood sugar levels naturally. As we get older, managing blood sugar becomes more and more important. Many seniors either have type 2 diabetes or are at risk of developing it. Even for those who don't have diabetes, keeping blood sugar stable is essential to prevent fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and long-term complications. That's where cloves can offer a surprising advantage. Cloves contain compounds that may help regulate how the body processes sugar, making them a valuable natural support for people concerned about blood sugar control. In fact, several studies suggest that cloves may help improve insulin function and lower blood sugar after meals. One of the main compounds responsible for this benefit is called nigericin. This compound helps cells absorb sugar more efficiently from the bloodstream, which means your body needs less insulin to do the same job. For people with insulin resistance, a condition common in older adults, this can be a big help. A study published in the journal Food and Chemical Toxicology in 2019 found that clove extract helped lower blood glucose levels in diabetic rats. The results showed better insulin function and lower overall blood sugar, suggesting that cloves may offer a safe and effective way to support better blood sugar regulation. In addition to nigericin, cloves are packed with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage the cells that produce insulin in the pancreas. When these cells are stressed or inflamed, they don't work as well, leading to higher blood sugar levels. By chewing cloves regularly, you provide your body with plant-based compounds that protect these cells and help them function more effectively. This means your body becomes better at using sugar, keeping energy levels steady throughout the day and reducing the chance of dangerous spikes or crashes. For seniors who struggle with energy dips or sugar cravings, chewing cloves could offer another hidden benefit. Some people find that chewing a clove after meals helps curb the desire for sweets or snacks. The strong, spicy flavor of the clove can reduce the urge to eat something sugary, which indirectly helps keep blood sugar stable. And because the flavor stays in your mouth for a while, it may help you feel more satisfied with less food. Over time, this can support better eating habits and a more balanced diet. Cloves may also help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. This is important because fast-digesting carbs cause a quick rise in blood sugar, while slow-digesting ones release sugar more gradually. Clove compounds appear to interfere slightly with digestive enzymes that break down starches, leading to a slower, more stable release of sugar into the bloodstream. This means fewer blood sugar spikes after eating bread, pasta, or rice, which can make meals feel less heavy and improve how you feel afterward. For seniors already taking medication for diabetes or pre-diabetes, cloves may offer an extra layer of support. However, it's important to be cautious and speak with your doctor before combining natural remedies with prescription drugs. In some cases, cloves may enhance the effect of these drugs, which could cause blood sugar to drop too low. But when used wisely and in small amounts, cloves can be a safe and natural part of a balanced health plan. To try this for yourself, begin by chewing one clove either in the morning or after your largest meal of the day. Some people chew a clove before eating to help prepare their digestive system and possibly blunt a post-meal spike in sugar. Let the clove rest in your mouth for several minutes as you gently chew it. This slow release of oils is part of what helps deliver the health benefits. Others prefer to steep cloves in hot water and sip it like tea. Either way, the key is to be consistent and patient. Over time, you may notice steadier energy, fewer cravings, and a general improvement in how your body responds to food. Supporting blood sugar naturally doesn't have to be complicated. While cloves aren't a cure or a replacement for medical treatment, they are one of nature's simple tools that may help you stay in control. For seniors who want to feel more energized, avoid sugar crashes, and support long-term health, chewing cloves may be one of the easiest habits to start. Cloves freshen breath and protect oral health. As we age, it's not uncommon to face more dental issues, from sensitive gums to bad breath and even tooth decay. Regular brushing and dental checkups are important, but sometimes they're not enough. That's where cloves can step in as a natural and powerful helper for your mouth. One of the oldest uses of cloves in traditional medicine has been for oral care. The reason is simple. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound with strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Eugenol helps kill harmful bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath, gum disease, and cavities, all while soothing sore or inflamed gums. Many seniors find that their breath doesn't stay fresh for long, even after brushing. This is often caused by bacteria hiding in the gums, tongue, or back of the throat. When you chew a clove, it releases essential oils that spread throughout your mouth and throat, attacking the very bacteria that cause these odors. Unlike minty gums or sprays that only cover up the smell, cloves work to solve the root of the problem. Within just a few minutes of chewing a clove, your mouth feels fresher, cleaner, and more comfortable. Some seniors chew a clove after every meal to keep their breath fresh all day long. Cloves can also help reduce gum inflammation and pain. If you've ever had swollen, bleeding gums, or discomfort while eating or brushing, you know how frustrating it can be. The anti-inflammatory power of cloves helps soothe this discomfort naturally. By chewing cloves slowly, the oils make direct contact with the gums, calming the tissues and promoting healing. In some cases, people with early signs of gum disease have noticed less swelling and bleeding after just a week of chewing cloves daily. And for those with dentures or dental implants, cloves can help reduce the soreness that sometimes comes with those adjustments. Cloves also help prevent plaque buildup. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that collects on the teeth and leads to decay if not cleaned properly. While brushing and flossing are still essential, chewing cloves adds another layer of defense. The antibacterial properties in cloves slow down the growth of plaque-causing bacteria, making it easier to maintain a clean and healthy mouth. Some researchers have even suggested that clove oil could be added to mouthwashes or toothpaste to help improve their effectiveness. Toothaches are another issue where cloves shine. Long before modern pain relievers were invented, people used cloves to ease dental pain. Chewing a clove or applying clove oil directly to a sore tooth can bring temporary relief by numbing the area and reducing inflammation. This is especially helpful at night when tooth pain tends to feel worse. While it's still important to see a dentist for ongoing issues, cloves can be a helpful home remedy to manage discomfort in the meantime. Seniors who deal with dry mouth can also benefit from cloves. As we age, saliva production tends to decrease, leading to dryness that makes eating and speaking uncomfortable. Chewing cloves encourages your mouth to produce more saliva, which naturally washes away bacteria and food particles. This keeps your mouth moist, your breath fresh, and your teeth better protected. A moist mouth is also less prone to infection, which is another win for your overall health. Using cloves for oral health is simple and effective. Just chew one whole clove slowly after meals or before bed. Focus on letting the oils spread through your mouth and gums. If the clove feels too hard, you can soften it slightly by soaking it in warm water for a minute or two. If you prefer not to chew it, placing it in your cheek and letting it sit there like a lozenge still allows the oils to do their work. Either way, make it a daily habit for the best results. Oral health affects much more than your smile. It's connected to heart health, digestion, and overall well-being. By adding cloves to your daily routine, you're giving your mouth a natural way to stay clean, fresh, and strong. It's a small change with big rewards, and for seniors looking to take better care of their teeth and gums, it's one of the easiest and most effective habits to try. Cloves support better sleep and reduce stress. Getting good sleep becomes harder for many people as they get older. Some seniors have trouble falling asleep, while others wake up too early or find themselves tossing and turning through the night. On top of that, stress and anxiety can build up over time, especially when dealing with health issues or life changes. This lack of rest and constant tension can make you feel tired, forgetful, and emotionally drained. But did you know that something as small as chewing a clove in the evening may help calm your mind and improve your sleep? Cloves have been used for centuries in natural medicine to ease restlessness and promote relaxation, and science is now starting to explain why they work. Cloves contain a range of helpful compounds, including eugenol, which we've mentioned before. Eugenol doesn't just fight inflammation, it also has a mild sedative effect. It helps slow down an overactive mind and relax the nervous system. When you chew a clove before bed, the oils released into your mouth and bloodstream gently signal your body to wind down. This can make it easier to fall asleep without the need for sleeping pills, which often come with side effects like grogginess or dependence. Some people say that chewing a clove before bedtime gives them a feeling of calm similar to a warm cup of herbal tea, but stronger and longer lasting. In addition to eugenol, cloves contain flavonoids and other natural compounds that help lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone, and when it's too high, it can make it almost impossible to relax. You might feel restless, anxious, or unable to stop your mind from racing. High cortisol also keeps your heart rate and blood pressure up, which isn't good for sleep or heart health. Chewing cloves in the evening can help signal your brain to produce calming neurotransmitters, creating a more peaceful state and making sleep come more naturally. This benefit doesn't happen overnight, but with regular use, many seniors report falling asleep faster and feeling more rested in the morning. Cloves may also help people who suffer from nighttime indigestion, which is another cause of poor sleep. As mentioned earlier, cloves support healthy digestion, and when taken after dinner, they can help reduce gas, bloating, and acid reflux. That means fewer midnight trips to the bathroom, less discomfort in bed, and fewer interruptions to your sleep. When your stomach feels better, your brain gets the message that it's safe to rest. This connection between the gut and the brain is very real, and cloves may help strengthen it in a positive way. Breathing is another area where cloves offer support for better sleep. Their natural oils can help open nasal passages and ease mild congestion. For seniors who snore or have light sleep apnea, this small relief may make a noticeable difference. While cloves are not a replacement for medical treatments for sleep apnea, they can help create a clearer, more open feeling in the throat and chest, which supports deeper, uninterrupted sleep. Even the scent of cloves alone has been used in aromatherapy for relaxation, showing how powerful this little spice can be. The ritual of chewing a clove can also be part of a calming bedtime routine. Just like brushing your teeth or turning down the lights, chewing a clove sends a message to your body that it's time to relax. This sense of routine is very helpful for seniors who struggle with irregular sleep patterns. Adding cloves to your nighttime routine can help train your body and mind to expect rest at the same time each night, making your sleep habits more consistent over time. To try this out, chew one clove about 30 minutes before bed. Let the oils slowly release in your mouth and breathe deeply as you chew. You don't have to swallow it. Just let the natural oils do their work. You might feel a gentle warmth in your chest and a relaxing sensation throughout your body. If you prefer, you can brew a clove in hot water and sip it like a tea before bedtime. Either method can help quiet your thoughts and prepare your body for a deeper, more refreshing sleep. Stress and poor sleep don't have to be part of getting older. Cloves offer a simple, natural way to take control of both. With regular use, they may help you feel more relaxed in the evening, sleep better at night, and wake up with more energy and peace of mind. It's a small step with big potential. By including cloves in your daily routine, you may find that better rest and less stress are within your reach, one night at a time.